I'm going to show you how to find the fuse and relay box. This is a Hyundai Tucson. You're going to open up the driver's side door. Right here where your left foot would be, you're going to see this hood release. You're going to pull that. You'll hear it pop in the front. And go up to the front of the vehicle. Right here where the Hyundai symbol is, you're going to go straight up with your hand upside down. Put your hand in, pull up. You're going to lift. And then you're going to grab this here. It's going to connect right there. Lower the hood. Your fuse and relay box is right here on the right side of the vehicle. There's going to be two tabs. One in the front. Push that back. Pull this one forward. And that's your fuse and relay box. If you look inside the owner's mat, it'll tell you, and as well as right here, it gives you some of the information for what. Now that you have your fuse and relay box open, if you're having an issue with your front wipers, it's this 10-amp fuse here at the bottom. You're simply going to come over here and take your fuse puller, pull that 10-amp fuse right there at the bottom, and then pull your spare 10-amp here and then place it in there and see if that fixes your problem. If not, you may have a motor issue. Hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click. Make sure it clicks tight. You don't want any water or debris getting in there.
Arrgh.